Are you a victim of constant bullying? Then come with me. I will tell you something. Listen carefully. No matter how many times we say that bullying is bad and it should be stopped, no one cares. The victim always there to be left alone, and they always suffer. We see it every time and everywhere. It can happen in public, in schools, in your office, and even in your own family. They say they do it for fun and nothing serious about it, but they don't know one thing that the person who's getting bullied has seen, much worse than seeing the fun side to it. Later in the day, they have much more to endure and can't even get a good night's sleep. They will mentally break down, and depression, anxiety will be at the peak. Okay, so far you have came with me and watched this video. Now let's move on to the good part, shall we? How to stand against bullying. No one else do it for you. You have to stand alone for yourself and say no. Some say you do the same as them, but nope, that's not the way. Remember, what goes round always comes round, so no need to take revenge. Instead, you can be nice to them and be good at what you do. Upscale your set of skills and keep a strong mentality. But make sure you never support them in any way to keep up with the bullying. To escape this type of a situation, you can reach out to new friends who are not bully and build a strong circle around you who can support you in your difficult time. But always keep in your mind, you have yourself with you all the time. So try to be happy-go-lucky and cool as a cucumber. You are never alone. You are worthy and beautiful. So never let anyone make yourself feel down. Always be ambitious. You will be all right. Thank you for watching.